Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a newsletter in Wix step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to whip up a polished and engaging newsletter to connect with your subscribers, whether you're reaching out to customers, sharing updates with your community, or just keeping your audience in the loop. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do in Wix is select the site you're working on. I know a lot of you manage multiple sites, so make sure you're in the dashboard for the one where you want this newsletter to go out. It's a small, but important detail. It keeps everything organized and makes publishing later on a breeze. Once you're in your chosen site, find the marketing section in the dashboard. It's usually along the left side of your screen. This area is packed with tools to help you grow and engage your audience, and for newsletters, we're heading right into email marketing. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. Now, you'll see Wix gives you a few ways to start your newsletter. You can use AI to draft content automatically, browse and select from a gallery of professionally designed templates, or even build your own newsletter totally from scratch if you're feeling adventurous. But for today's demo, I suggest we keep things straightforward so you get the hang of the essentials. So, I'd recommend just picking any template that jumps out at you. Don't stress over perfection right now. You can always change things up later. The templates are a fantastic starting point and can really speed up the process, especially if you're new to email design. Once you've picked your template, it's time to get creative and customize it to fit your brand or your message. You can swap out the images, which is perfect if you want to showcase products, share event photos, or just add a personal touch. Need your logo front and center? Simply replace the default logo with your own. You can even add new logos if you have more than one, or remove elements that aren't relevant. The customization here really matters because it helps your newsletter feel authentic and instantly recognizable to your followers. Next, dive into the text. You can edit the existing text, add entirely new sections, or remove bits that don't fit your message. Maybe you want to highlight a special offer, share a heartfelt announcement, or link to your latest blog post. Whatever it is, make sure your wording is clear and friendly. Take your time here. A well-written newsletter grabs attention and encourages your readers to take action. Once your newsletter looks just the way you want, it's time to choose your recipients. Wix makes this easy. You can select contacts from your site's list or upload a new list if needed. Think about who should receive this email: your most loyal customers, new subscribers, or maybe people who signed up for a specific service. Tailoring your recipient list means your newsletter lands in the right inboxes. Before you publish, you also have the option to share your newsletter on your social media channels. This is a great way to drum up even more engagement. Just a couple of clicks and your latest update can reach folks on Facebook, Twitter, or wherever your community hangs out. And when everything looks perfect and your recipients are set, hit publish. That's it. Your newsletter is live and on its way to your audience. So, that's how you create a newsletter in Wix, from picking your template all the way through customizing, sharing, and publishing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or you want me to cover anything else about Wix or newsletters, just drop it down in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And of course, if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.